the classmates, they will give the flowers to their crush, like one flower. If one flower only, it's not so much killing moments, but if they give three flowers, because they said three flowers is I love you, like that. Kaya three is the perfect. Wishy, I'm thinking you're receiving you're receiving the flower from dog so that you can give to Scott. Oh, so that is the terrible thing. Terrible, really. Take flower to Scott and give to take flower to Do and give to Scott. Terrible things. Oh my gosh. So the price there is cut. Okay. the price tag. So what do you mean by the price in relationship? Agoy na nasa tani puro na punta relationship, guys, because we already finished the Mother's Day. Wishy from Mrs. Margie. So what do you mean by the price in the relationship? In the context of relationships, the price refers to a rewarding and fulfilling aspects of being in a healthy, loving partnership. Partnership. It's the benefits and joys that come from sharing a deep connection with someone, such as emotional support and validation, unconditional love and acceptance, trust and reliability, shared laughter and happiness. Number 5, personal growth and self-improvement. Number 6, sense of belonging and companionship. Number 7, intimacy and physical connection. Do you have that, guys? 8, shared experiences and memories. Encouragement and motivation. Number 10, feeling seen, heard, and understand. So, that's the word price in the relationship. Yung premyo ba? I don't know if that we call it, it's like a trophy, it's a prize, di ba? Ganoon yun. So the prize represents the treasure that comes from nurturing and investing in a relationship, making it a source of strength, comfort, and joy in your life. It's the payoff for the effort and commitment you put into building and maintaining a healthy and loving partnership. Agree with that, guys? You have to agree to disagree. You have to disagree and agree. Ayan, hindi ko pa na nabasa lahat. Babu gift for Mother's Day. Babu gift for Mother's Day. Sana all. Ding dong, doorbell wishy is flowers delivery. 3 flowers for Alma always. So this I'll always, I love you. Sana all. Love it talaga. Tipid G. Margie, is it from Shein? Tipid. Bisaya. Puts. From Tipid G. MM. From Bisaya. I'm curious. Hi nako. Shein is very expensive, guys. The Shein. And my goodness. No, not MM. What is the you received gift, Sis Margie? Shared us. What's the gift? Number 7. From the that's number 7. I will upload soon. Agoy one. Now that is it na. Yes, that's right, Sis Margie. Hala. Number 7 is intimacy and physical connection from the binasa ko yon, no, ha. Kailangan yan present yan. So if you feel the that's the term price in the relationship. Grabe. And why intimacy is very important? Intimacy is very important in relationship. Why does it? Yun ko, no? Grabe, dami ko talagang mga bots here. Bots button here. So why intimacy is extremely important in a relationship? Because it deepens emotional connection. Intimacy fosters a sense of closeness and bonding, creating a deeper understanding of